Hello, welcome to my channel. Here I will show you the local price of one Terminator Assault Squad. Íslenskar krónur, 8.500 krónur. USA dollar, in description. It has 5 bases. And here you can see the bits. And here is the instructions. They are for my Dark Angels army and the Deathwing Sergeant Grandmaster has a Warhammer á íslensku sleggja and Shield, Storm Shield á íslensku Njarðarskjöldur. Since they are all fighting for the lion and are always fighting chaos and Abaddon, they are all going to be equipped with this item, Power Claw, so they can cut through easily
and deep strike with every terrain possible.
with this Homer.